Hello, and welcome to our ABI Snapshot. In this third installment of our video series, we will continue to examine the key trends in the US EV industry based on our survey of key decision makers from across the automotive supply chain. For parts 1 and 2, please check for the link in the video description. In this episode, we will focus on the challenges faced by the automotive industry as they push to scale up production and how they are leveraging new digital tools to improve their manufacturing operations. Joining me again to discuss the results and provide her expert perspective is Lynne Blake, US Auto Strategy Leader at Schneider Electric. Thanks for joining me, Lynne.
It's great to be here.
We saw in our previous videos that the industry is facing a number of challenges as it scales up EV production, with battery manufacturers finding improving yield rates almost as challenging as securing the raw materials for their batteries. For the US market to deliver on 50% of new vehicles being electrified in 2035, the automotive industry would need to grow from today's annual shipments of around 1.5 million EVs to over 7 million EVs in less than 10 years.
It is certainly a significant challenge, and that is why Schneider Electric is supporting the automotive industry with a suite of AI, data analytics, and data management tools to help automakers increase the productivity of their manufacturing operations.
When we asked our respondents about the kinds of digital technologies that they were employing in their operations today and which they had found to be the most effective, 42% identified enhancing predictive maintenance and condition monitoring as the most effective approach to improving manufacturing efficiency, with 31% identifying IoT and real-time data analytics for process optimization.
It is also interesting to see how consistent these responses were across the whole EV ecosystem. From OEMs to battery manufacturers to charge point operators, predictive maintenance and data analytics were identified as the most effective technologies to improve efficiency. At Schneider Electric, we help manufacturers connect sensors and gateways through their operations to deliver condition monitoring and AI-driven predictive maintenance, with the potential to reduce unplanned downtime by up to 75% and on-site intervention costs by 40%.
With such a potential upside, it's not surprising that when we asked survey respondents in what areas they were prioritizing digitalization in their future EV operations, the majority of respondents continued to prioritize predictive maintenance and IoT analytics and real-time monitoring for quality control and product process optimization.
One way in which OEMs can optimize their manufacturing processes is through the use of digital twins, building on their existing use in the simulation and testing of vehicle components and processes to optimize the design of the entire plant. For example, Schneider Electric supports the automotive industry with EcoStruxure digital twin technology to accurately simulate the electrical distribution networks of their battery plants, allowing for faster scaling up of their production capacity to meet growing demand.
All of these digitalization technologies that the automotive industry is adopting clearly rely on the ingestion of huge volumes of data. Now, when we asked survey respondents how they were managing this influx of data into their operations, we found that 76% of respondents either currently or are planning to expand their use of IoT technologies for seamless data integration. Lynne, with the automotive industry relying so heavily on data-driven tools to scale up their EV operations, what are some of the investments that automakers should be making in the area of data management?
That's a great question. As EV production scales rapidly, automakers are facing an explosion of data from connected equipment, sensors, and digital systems across their operations. Managing this data effectively is crucial to unlocking efficiency, resilience, and sustainability. At Schneider Electric, we help our customers turn this data challenge into a competitive advantage through the combination of IoT, edge computing, and AI-powered analytics. First, our EcoStruxure platform enables seamless data integration across the factory floor. By connecting machines, sensors, and systems, we help manufacturers collect and contextualize data in real time, supporting predictive maintenance, quality control, and energy optimization. Secondly, we provide a scalable IT infrastructure infrastructure tailored to EV manufacturing needs. This includes micro data centers for edge processing, prefabricated modular data centers for rapid deployment at battery plants, and centralized enterprise data centers for long-term scalability. This hybrid approach ensures data is processed securely and efficiently wherever it's needed most. Third, we empower customers with advanced analytics and AI to turn raw data into actionable insights. Whether it's improving yield rates, reducing downtime, or optimizing energy use, our solutions help manufacturers make smarter, faster decisions. And finally, we ensure that all of this is done with cybersecurity and sustainability in mind, so customers can scale confidently and responsibly. By investing in this integrated approach to data management, our customers are not just keeping up with the pace of EV transformation, they are leading it.
Thanks again for joining me, Lynn. For information and results from our survey, view the link in the summary below.